on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley Cairo if you guys are new, and if you are a returning subscriber, I'm so glad you guys are back for another video. Today we are sharing what is in my work bag, or just like bag that I take to the coffee shop when I want to not work at home. Before we get started, I would love it if you guys click the subscribe button and turned on notifications so you never miss a video. You guys have been asking for more recipes and wellness tips, and those are all on my Instagram. So at Haley Cairo, give it a follow. We can be friends over there. I have been wanting to film this for quite some time, but it just I wanted to make sure that I had a good system down, and now that I do, I'm ready. I just posted an Amazon's favorites video, so a lot of these items I'm mentioning, I'll have them all down below, but you can also check out my Amazon favorites video and get a full review there. So let's just get started. So this bag is the Teddy Blake Palmolato, the large size in black and blue. The interior is this gorgeous cerulean color, and I have shared Teddy Blake bags previously, probably a few years ago. I love these bags. The quality is insane, and for the price, it is pretty amazing. I'm a big fan, and I have continued to use these bags, and I wanted to share my new one with you. So I'm gonna show you guys everything inside of here, but also how this bag doubles up. I don't know if you guys can see here, but it has a button closure here. You can unbutton it so you get even more space. So I actually have a MacBook Air that fits in here. So when I go to a coffee shop or have a meeting, or I want to go out for the day, I can have everything with me. I usually have my Erin Condren planner portfolio in here as well. It completely fits, so I can have a full day, or not a full day, but a full kit with me, like planner, bullet journal, pens, stickers. But I just have my Erin Condren planner. I've got a whole video on this. You guys can check it out. I'll have it up here, but it's got the custom, it's so cute. So I love having this with me. I also usually have a notebook in here, but I can't find it and kind of worried about it. Now, because this is my all the time bag, everything pretty much just stays in here. And then when I'm doing errands and I don't need a full bag, I just take my smaller one out and take that with me. This is just a pochette accessory from Louis Vuitton, and I have a strap on it so I can make it a crossbody bag. And in here I have just gum, my favorite Tom Ford lipstick in Bear 01. And I've had this baby lips forever. It's a little embarrassing, probably since 2014. I've never lost it, which is amazing, but it's just the nude one. I have a pen, and then I have this, it's technically considered the mini agenda, and I just use this for personal information. So that goes in there or comes out. I have my vlog camera, which usually has a mini Manfrotto tripod on there, and I took it off for whatever reason. Also, this bag has 2 zipper pockets, so you get a ton of space in here. It's crazy. There's no inside pockets, just these larger ones, but this bag seriously expands like crazy. It's amazing. If I say one more time, I'm gonna smack myself. So I always have special things. This might be a Delaware thing. It might be not even a Delaware thing. It might be an East Coast thing. Correct me if I'm wrong, but we're big koozie people here, so I always have a koozie on hand, usually 2 in case Kyle doesn't have one. This is my Barstool Sports. Saturdays are for the boys. I'm a big sports girl, what can I say? I always have a snack. These are the True Women protein bars. They're vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free. This is the Daydreaming About Donuts. I get these on Amazon. I talked about that in my video. I also talked about this in my video. This is my mermaid contacts. Case is so cute. Can you just, for a minute, oh my gosh, it's a seashell and a mermaid tail. I wear contacts, so that's a necessity. I do keep a mini emergency kit in here, mainly because, well, for one, it actually has really come in handy, but I put my own stuff in here, like extra hair ties and bobby pins, the mini sport tampons, pads. I just love that it's so compact. So yep, that stays in there. And then I have my keys, and I haven't pulled the trigger on a key clay yet or a key holder, but because this is just a mess. But I have my keys on an Alphalete lanyard. I use a card holder. I'm not a big wallet person, so I just hook that to there sometimes, or it goes in my pochette matisse. Not pochette matisse, pochette accessory. And then I also have some backup things that are very, very handy. Little Dove deodorant. I love the cucumber melon. It reminds me of middle school. And then this is actually a new find for me. This is the Dove dry shampoo in fresh coconut. I've used a lot of dry shampoo. I have big, thick, curly hair, and the texture of it is more of like, it's more aerosol than it is powdery, and it smells amazing, and it really, really lasts throughout the day. I can smell it, and it doesn't leave that residue. I love this, and I need to buy a full size of it because it's fantastic. The last thing is my to-go toiletry bag. This jumps between my full-time bag and my gym bag because this is what I take when I am showering at the gym. I am pretty no fuss after doing a workout and showering at the gym because it's usually on a day when I am swimming and I don't know, I don't feel like putting on a full face of makeup. This is very summer approved because I'm usually running outside, the outdoor pool is open. I'm outside a lot, and my grandmother has been a stickler on me about sunscreen since I was very small, and it's a habit. In here, I have, ooh, this is actually really cool. Coola is one of my favorite sunscreen companies, and they have 2 new products out. So this is the Sun Silk Drops, and basically it's skincare and sun care. It is SPF 30 for environmental and digital, so it helps with the blue light. It's just this lovely milky serum. You squeeze the top of it, comes up in the tube, and it's just the perfect base for your makeup. And I love that it has like a yellow undertone, so it kind of evens out the skin. I can get away with not wearing makeup. I just really like how it looks. And it's also vegan and cruelty free, and it's 70% organic, which is awesome. I love that they're getting into more like skincare and lifestyle products versus just the sunscreen. So I'm really loving this. So check that out. I will have it down below. And then they also have a new makeup setting spray with SPF. So, and like, how pretty is the bottle? It's like so mermaidy. I love it. This is 30% or 30%. This is SPF 30. It's also water resistant for up to 80 minutes. It's also 70% organic, and I love how it smells. It doesn't have fragrance, but it's just like refreshing. I don't know how to explain it. It has peony leaf, juniper berry, phoenix, and leaf stem cells. So, and it really does set the makeup so nice. I don't know, it just really works. You can feel that it has like, I don't know if it's alcohol or something. There's avobenzone, homosalate, and octosalate. So it just like, I don't know, you can feel it set your skin. I'm not doing a good job of explaining it, but if you guys haven't tried it yet and you're looking for an awesome setting spray, this is a great one. And then, like I said, I keep it super simple. I have a mini Moroccan oil because that's all I put in my hair, and I keep it in the little box because sometimes it leaks. I have a wide tooth comb because like this is a mess. The holy grail of holy grails, the It Cosmetics CC cream with SPF 50. This is kind of new to me. This is the Way Wave Spray. It's super, super fragrant, so just beware. During the summertime, I wear 2 different perfumes. One of them is the Replica Beach Walk. I love this perfume, and I also use the Sun Sun Giorgio Armani mascara and lash curler and a highlighter. Literally, that's all you need for summer glow. Oh wait, and a mini hula. So this, like I said, goes between my gym bag and then my all the time bag. What's amazing though is I still have room in that bag if I needed to put anything else. Like sometimes I have my school stuff in there for my sports nutrition certification. Sometimes I have my Yeti cup in there, my big 32 ounce. I mean, the bag fits a ton. If you guys are interested in any of the products that I mentioned, the bag, the sunscreen products, I will have it all linked down below for you, as well as some awesome discounts so you guys can check that out. But if you guys liked this video, I'd appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of like what's in my gym bag or what's in my makeup bag, more planner videos, let me know. But as always, I hope you guys are doing well, and I will see you in the next video.